Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Add-ons Feature Number 3, Manage Add-ons for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Add-ons and then click on Manage Add-ons, the following menu appears. Any add-ons within the Google Doc will appear in this menu. When I click on the three gray dots associated with an add-on, the following options appear. I can choose to uninstall the add-on, I can choose to seek help related to the add-on, or I can report an issue. When I choose to uninstall the add-on, it will ask for my confirmation that I want to remove the add-on. After giving my confirmation, the screen will load, and eventually the add-on will be removed from my Google Doc. As such, I can have complete control over the customization of my document. I can then close the window and continue to work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.